Generative AI is here, not as a sci fi dream, but as a force already reshaping industries. In this video, we'll explore how it works as its core and what it really means for businesses, leaders today. We have already seen AI automate routine tasks from customer service bots to generating content, but its real potential lies in transforming how decisions are made, how creativity is expressed, and how value is created. Machine learning. Let's start with machine learning. It's an engine that learns from data, recognizing patterns, drawing insights, and making decisions, all without being told exactly what to do. Generative AI takes it a step further, not just analyzing but creating, whether it's writing text, fashionizing images, composing tunes, or designing products. Generative models produce new content that does not exist before. Neural networks and deep learning. Understand the hood. Deep learning powers generative AI. Think of neural networks as layers, each one focused on recognizing features, shapes, textures, context. They work together, refining the output with each pass. And GANs, that is generative adversarial networks. In GANs, you have a creator and a critic. One network creates visuals, the other judges their realism. They compete, pushing each other to perform better. The result is increasingly life-like content. The business use cases today, you will find generative AI across marketing, product design, customer support, entertainment, education, and more. Architects use it to design optimized building plans, fashion brands prototype digitally. Educators simulate complex science concepts. Look at GM using AI design more durability vehicle components, or Siemens, which uses AI powered robots for precision in manufacturing. In finance, firms like Binance detect fraud and predict market moves. Even NASA, even like NASA and SpaceX, use it to explore space. From analyzing starlight to navigating Mars. Traditional AI versus generative AI. Traditional AI predicts what might happen based on past data, but generative AI creates the new ways forward, crafting content, solutions, experiences. It's the difference between forecasting demand and inventing what people will want next. And the synergy is combining both. When you combine prediction with creation, that's where transformation takes happen. And predict trends, then create content, products, or services that speak directly to those trends. That's your edge as a leader. It's a strategic business benefits. Efficiency improves, innovation accelerates, and productivity jumps. And customer experiences, they become more personal, more engaging. Generative AI does not just help you to keep up, it helps you to lead. And there are also risks and ethical considerations, just like, but it's not without risk. Bias, privacy, misuse, ethical concerns, there are real. And these are like true. Responsible use means transparency, fairness, and building trust. You must navigate these as carefully as you do the opportunities. And coming to the conclusion, I could do this like in the end. In the end, generative AI isn't a tool, it's a partnership. For leaders who understand both its promise and its responsibility, it becomes a strategic asset, mastering the foundational fundamentals as a first step. Embrace it, adapt with it, and you will shape the future, not just follow it.